Oh, hi there. I mean, it's been just a fantastic day. I mean, what a fantastic weather, and to see all the people coming here and to really learn and experience what education at the University of Melbourne is about, what it means to become a teacher or an expert in education. It's been wonderful to speak to all the future students and parents and community who came here to experience that and to answer all the questions, but also to learn quite a lot about what are the real needs in our society today.
If you're thinking about studying the faculty of education, we absolutely recommend you come to Open Day and check out the different informationals. There's plenty of different programs for all different sectors of teaching, and the faculty of education in Melbourne has some of the best academics across the country.
Top three highlights of Open Day. So number one is meeting all the awesome prospective teachers. Number two has been playing games with not just future teachers but current teachers looking to do postgrad study, and also their families and also some of our staff. Number three has been the copious amounts of lollies and candy we've had. My dentist is going to hate Open Day, but my stomach loves Open Day.
I think my top three highlights, I think it's been fantastic to meet so many future prospective students and learn about them and what they're looking to come to the uni for. I think it has been really exciting to meet some of our gamers coming through who have taught me things I didn't know about video games. And I think as well, yeah, it's been really exciting, I think, just to see how big Melbourne Uni is, how big and busy and cool it really can be. It's a very cool place.
The biggest advice that I can give you, if you're really thinking about the education, don't hesitate. Try and speak with someone today and enroll. This is an amazing opportunity to really shape the future of education in Australia and around the world.